How to fix Tradingview not working problem. Hello everyone, if you're facing this kind of problem where your Tradingview is not working, then follow these steps. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Here you should see an option called Wi-Fi. Click on it. Now sometimes because of your network issue, your Tradingview app might not be working. So make sure you check for any network problem. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that works. Now if you are using your Tradingview app, you can switch to tradingview.com, and if you are using tradingview.com, you can switch to Tradingview app to see if that works. On your web browser, go to the website tradingview.com and log into your account. You can try to reinstall your Tradingview app if you are using the app. Now go to Settings on your device. In Settings, go to General and tap on iPhone Storage. Here, you need to search for the Tradingview app. Now tap on the option Offload app to clear any cache that may be available. Along with this, also check any updates that may be available for the Tradingview app. If there are updates available, then update it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.